Hello friends, this is Ladel. This video is in collaboration with Razer. The Razer Blade 15 Advanced model serves up power, speed, portability in a gorgeous premium metal chassis and slim design, packing a 10th generation Core i7 processor with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 GPU. So let's go and explore. Razer Blade 15 has been one of the most iconic laptops on the market over the last decade. The Razer Blade 15 is available in two flavors, base and advanced model. I reviewed an advanced model that cost $2899. The Blade 15 is extremely powerful and sleekest gaming laptop in terms of style, quality and portability. It's equipped with the 2.3 GHz Intel Core i7 10875H processor, 32 GB of RAM, a 1 TB SSD, an Intel UHD graphics GPU, and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 GPU with 16 GB of VRAM, a 15.6-inch QHD 2560 x 1440 display with a 240 Hz refresh rate. On the left side we have two USB 3.2 Type A ports, a USB-C port with Thunderbolt 3 support, a headphone jack and a power connector. On the other side there is another USB-A 3.2 port, another USB-C port without Thunderbolt, an HDMI video output and an SD card reader. This unit features a 15-inch Full HD display panel configured to run at a QHD 240 Hz. The 15.6-inch display features a QHD 2560 by 1440 resolution and 16:9 aspect ratio. The Blade 15 720p webcam has good picture quality and it's a Windows Hello built-in IR HD webcam. Razer Blade 15 comes pre-installed with the THX Spatial audio with the built-in stereo speakers for PC software. Really wonderful on battery life, which lasts 5 hours and 14 minutes. The keyboard is outstanding and the keys offered great travel and comfort, which made typing reliably accurate. The keyboard has backlit keys and you can customize their color or lightning pattern to be as extravagant or subtle as you prefer. You might expect from its size the small keyboard probably won't suit everyone and many find it uncomfortable. Word processing, web browsing and video conferencing. Razer Blade 15 laptops are popular for gaming machines, but you can use them for edit videos as well. The 8-core processor will handle jobs efficiently and that 16GB GDDR6 on the power NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 will make quick work of video processing. The Razer Blade 15 is a great laptop in terms of gaming, content creation and entertainment. Its features are gorgeous and incredibly fast 240Hz screen and excellent in-game frame rates. The Razer Blade 15 Advanced model is available on the Razer store for $2899 and you can find the links down below in the video description. If you are interested in unboxing videos, click on this playlist. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.